Welcome one, welcome all to the finished chart editor. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's finally done. Code-wise. I may redo a few sprites here and there, but overall, this is what you're getting. This will be your final look at it as well. Everything else will be done, yeah, it'll be done without your knowledge, basically. Unless I I was reading something. Unless I really, change something really big about it, maybe I'll show you. And unless you're like in the Discord where you'll get exclusive sneak peeks, that you should join that. But basically, let me show you everything that is new. First off, we've got immediately noticeable these up here. These have been redrawn by none other than Barry. Say thank you, Barry. Thank you, Barry. Alright, good job. And those carry-ons down here as well. You may notice a lack of sounds. I've got the charting effects off, which now doesn't happen whenever you extend length or change note time. What in the world just happened? Okay, maybe it's a little broken, but yeah, the who's gonna be doing that for real? Who's gonna even use this input at all? Like, no one. Which brings me on to the next important part. Note type got a small rework. Still the same drop down. Don't mind these. These are test stuff. But say you did hey, that won't do anything. But say you have a note and you do hey, now it'll remember that, and every subsequent note will be of that variety. So it's so useful. If you have charting effects, you can even hear this with it as well. Yeah, I love the effects, they're so goofy, but I'm gonna turn them off now. That's the only changes to the charting section. The section, yeah, this hasn't been changed. But the events section, you can see, or you can't see, I've updated these to actually work. So you can type in stuff now, and it'll remember it. There we go. It's not broken anymore. But yeah, you can see here it's got new default values. These will be these three in specific will be the normal camera movement in the game. Very basic, just move camera over type of thing. Takes half a second, which you can see is like that much time. It's very fast. Yes. That's all for this tab. Did I show you the event upgrade? I don't think I showed you the event upgrade, actually. Here's the event upgrade. You can see now there's some text here saying selected sub event. What this is you just say you have lyrics. I want the lyrics to be Holy Sigma. The color hex of FF0000, that's red, an X of 0, and a Y of negative, I don't know, 150. Alignment, centered, saturation. I don't care about this stuff. But you can now, but say at that same time, You want to switch the character to a different sprite that has the animation of them saying Holy Sigma. Oh, now instead of having to somehow put another one there, you can add one. And here you can have set character, I don't know, one animation name, whole sig, and a name of guy cutscene. And you can see it'll have both of them with everything remembered. That's the upgrade to the events. Very basic, I know, but this will save a lot of time. It'll all be handled at the same time and all that fun stuff. Yay! We love making life easier. This will get paired with a mod chart editor at some point, so you can use either one of them or both of them. Okay, next, the song tab. I have fixed this, so it'll actually show the correct thing. So awesome, so peak, so good. I've also gotten stage. It occurred to me like last week there was no stage selection option in the chart editor, and selecting a stage it's kind of important. Honestly, I should have put stage over here, but I couldn't be bothered. Yeah, that's and then song name. If you reload audio, let me pull up a tutorial. 2 songs will come built in. Tested tutorial. Yeah, you can see here. It's not the right BPM, but I don't care. If you enter a song that doesn't exist, like tutor, oh my god, and reload audio, it'll just pull up the test. Yeah, that's my big change. It won't break it anymore. It'll pull up the test. I just thought of another bug that could come up, but I don't feel like changing it. So you're gonna have to deal with this. The import tab now has a stage selection. So you can import stage types. You know, very, very basic. Very basic stuff. You know, this should have been like day one stuff I had planned. I forgot that you'd have to pick the stage that they're on. I forgot. My bad. And this will eventually be able to be viewed in here. I'll do that some other time. Right. And that is the chart editor all done and dusted. There's a few bugs that still need to be fixed. Example, if you copy an event over like this, it won't show up until you reload it. That's no good. I will be fixing that, but that's not video worthy. My next video will be on the stage editor. That's right, we're finally making stages. And then after the stage editor's done, we can mush it all together into one functional engine. But until then, making this chart editor for the past almost year, I've learned so much more about Turbo Warp and coding and making UIs and all that. Honestly, I am real talk, hold on. Honestly, I am so proud of myself for even being able to make something like this. Making something like this on Scratch of all things, it's a little crazy, to say the least. Especially getting it to run at a stable frame rate on Scratch of all things, that's what we're going for. That's what I'm going for. You know, I'm the coder and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Honestly, thank you guys for watching the progress of the stage editor since the first video. What did it even look like in the first video? Hold on. Yeah, you can see this is what it looked like before. This is insane. Look at them. They look different. Look at them. Look at everything. It's so gray and the pixel and boring. And there were only 4 tabs. Held notes looked like that. Oh, I had just added those buttons, but they were broken. Those looked like that. You can see all the changes. Oh, look, I showed off some of this. I did. The next devlog, I'll update you on the chart editor and possibly show you the main menu that I've been working on for Skype. Oh my god, I never showed you guys the main menu, did I? I never did. Hi, May. Hold on. Sidetrack. It's been such a good journey, man. And I can't wait to show you what else we've got in store for Scratched. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.